Hello, Dr. Richard Harris here, clinical advisor to CBD Health Collection. And today we're going to be talking about the directions. And when you look at a lot of CBD products, it'll say place underneath your tongue. And you may be saying, well, why is that? Why don't I just swallow it? And the reason is because CBD on its own is very poorly absorbed. What we mean by absorption is when we take something into our intestines, what percentage of that gets into our bloodstream. And so CBD on its own has very poor absorption. Very little of it gets into our bloodstream. There are ways that you can enhance that. One of those is MCT oil. And that is because CBD is fat soluble, meaning it mixes better with fats. So that's why you can place MCT oil in there with the CBD to increase absorption. You can also take it with a meal that has fats. That'll increase the amount that gets into your bloodstream. But why we say take it underneath the tongue is because you have blood vessels right there close to the tissue underneath your tongue and on the side of your cheeks. And so while holding it in that reservoir, you're able to directly absorb the CBD into the bloodstream. So it bypasses that absorption problem in the gut, so you can get it directly into the bloodstream so it can go to its site of action. So that is why we say hold it underneath the tongue for 60 seconds. It increases the absorption of the CBD. Increased absorption means better effect.
If you would like additional information, call 614-507-8016 or email us at info@cbdhealthcollection.com.